Okay, in this video we will see one advertisement for the Junior Research Fellowship, that is JRF. This notification is from DRDO, Defense Research and Development Organization, by the Government of India. Let's discuss main points here. Okay, so this is the last date, this is the notification date or advertisement date. Okay, that is 6 January 2022. Okay, now what are the minimum eligibility criteria for this position? In this, there is a requirement of bachelor degree of engineering in computer science and engineering or information, and NET and GATE may be anyone. Okay, maybe there, just qualify GATE or NET. Okay, these are the minimum qualification. Okay, or candidate should be a postgraduate, okay, with professional degree, that is MTech in computer science or computer engineering or in information science, okay, with first division, okay, at both level, graduate and postgraduate. Okay, that is the condition for this position JRF. Now let's see the desirable qualification. Okay, desirable qualification, these are the minimum. Okay, minimum qualification, and this is the desirable, these are the desirable. Okay, proficiency in design and analysis of algorithm, candidates should know the about how to design and analysis of algorithm. Okay, how to design algorithms, how to implement algorithms, and having the excellent programming skills in C or C++, Python, maybe any language. Okay, and experience in utilizing open source system development framework, and D, knowledge of major machine learning algorithm. Now these are the vacancies. Okay, 0, 1 star, that means there are the vacancies more than the 1. Okay, there may be 1, 2 or 3. Now let's see the age criteria. You can see here minimum or candidates should be maximum of 28 years, that is the upper age limit for the JRF. Okay, there is a relaxation for the candidates that belongs to SC, ST and OBC. Okay, stipend will be given 31,000 per month plus HRA. Okay, now you just download the application form from the official website, that is drdo.gov.in. okay, and after that you just fill up the entries and then self attested all the copies of the educational qualification and attached with the application, and then you have to send with this address, okay, to the director, DRDO, Young Scientist Laboratory, Cognitive Technology, Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO, 5th floor, IITM Research Park, Kanagam Road, Taramani, Chennai. Okay, your application should reach or must reach on this address. The last date is 26 January. Okay, publication date is 6 January. So within 20 days you have to submit your application. Okay, now thanks for watching.